Here's a quick little video of our Extreme Rides Tour Pack Slide Kit. If you got a 14 and up bike, or if you're running the 14 and up style bags and lids, 90% of your tour packs will interfere with the lids opening. We came up with this Tour Pack Slide Kit. It's complete, all bolt-on kit, all stainless steel hardware. It's a one button. You basically press the button underneath the bottom of the tour pack. This will slide back approximately 14 inches. When you're done with it, you can get into the bags. No problem, lids flip up. Slide this forward, locks in place. All one hand, all real slick, real cool. Serves a great purpose, and it's a neat little addition to your custom bike on top of that. This particular one here is on Paul Anderson's CVO bike that we just finished up for him, and works out really, really well, especially with the aftermarket Speed by Design Loud Daddy lids. But even the stock lids sometimes have a problem depending on your tour pack. So if you need one of these, our complete kit, it's all bolt-on, runs $150 including the shipping. We keep these in stock all the time. Hit us up here at Extreme Rides if we can help you out with one of these, and we'll send you one